Hello everyone. Today we're going to be showing you a little install video, a highlight video of how we put this LFD hybrid front bumper on our Lexus GX460. It's not going to be step by step, but if you want to see how to remove the grille and the whole front bumper, you can check out GX Bob's channel. He's got quite a nice couple videos on that. We're going to just kind of make this into a little quicker video and just show you in video footage and some stills to music, how this project went. Hope you enjoy. Okay, we ran into a little bit of a problem when we were trying to take off the bumper. As you can see here, we had a little bit of a catch point over by the left headlight, and so we discovered that this vehicle had been in an accident, actually hit a deer, and so they repaired that with a screw that went through the bumper and bondoed over. Oh well. Since the bumper was repaired like this, we had to make the cuts right on the truck. We used a really thin painter's tape to mask out the cuts according to LFD's instructions after lining up the actual new bumper underneath the vehicle. As you can see here, I'm just making the cuts with a standard Dremel. Okay, we're gonna weigh everything and see how much we're taking off and what we're putting on. So this is the bumper, aluminum bumper stock, 24.4 pounds. Okay, and if you're curious, shouldn't weigh as much by any means, but what's the plastic that we cut out? We got, hold on, we got a couple little other pieces of trim plastic on there. Okay, 4.2 pounds. Now, what we're gonna put on this is the LFD bumper, 86 pounds. 85.8 before hardware. With the hardware, that's about 90 pounds. I weighed it before. Ready to finish up mounting our new bumper and our hybrid bumper and from LFD. And what we're going to have to do is, there's a bracket that comes in on the side, and we got these nice big bolts, but these tow, I don't want to say tow hooks, but these transport hooks that we use, to hold this thing down, they kind of sit in the way because we're too high. So I got to remove these, so grind those off. going to just touch it up with a little bit of Rust-Oleum hammered paint. And might as well, while we're in here, give this a little bit of a shot. I've cleaned this off a little bit, but no need to have any rust in there when we set the bumper back up now. So, all right, so I'm gonna do this just to prevent my radiator from getting anything. See that? Just gonna give it a little touch up. Yeah. Okay, the next part of the process, we had to remove the bumper back out after test fitting, and we had to add the new 6-inch U-channel brackets that are used to connect this bumper to the plastic. So thanks very much to Jacob from LFD for suggesting this. I don't believe they come stock with the kit, but they were very nice and useful. But there's a little custom fitting to it. So we haven't decided on a winch yet for this this new hybrid bumper from LFD. We're going to make that decision in the near future. Hopefully, make another video on that. And for those of you that are interested, this was the actual plate that came with the truck when I originally purchased it a couple of years ago. And so I've never seen one of these put on with the LFD bumper, but I kind of like it. If you have questions about that, make a comment, and I'd be glad to address any of your questions on the video. Please like and subscribe.